Black Wall Street wasn't just successful, it was designed. Today, we're not just telling the story, we're breaking down the blueprint. We're headed to Tulsa, Oklahoma, early 1900s. Most people start with what happened in 1921. We're starting with how it worked. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons for attendance. Welcome to Blegacy Class, your guide to Black history that wasn't taught in school. I'm Mrs. L, and class is in session. It starts with land. O.W. Gurley didn't just buy property, he controlled access. 40 acres, sold intentionally to Black families, and that decision created something powerful, ownership at the foundation. Segregation limited where Black residents could spend, but limitation became leverage. We weren't competing everywhere. We were circulating internally. That is no longer restriction. That's a controlled market.
Excellent. We should discuss the new property on the way to the theater.
Next, density. Businesses weren't spread out. They were concentrated. Hotels next to banks, stores next to offices, services within walking distance. That proximity increased spending and speed. Every role in the community had an economic function. J.B. Stradford, hospitality; Loula Williams, goods and services; Dr. Andrew Jackson, healthcare. This wasn't random success. This was full system coverage. And here's what made it powerful. Money didn't just move, it stayed, it worked, it multiplied, because every time it changed hands, it stayed inside the system. That's Black excellence. Black Wall Street wasn't just impressive, it was intentional. It shows what happens when ownership, behavior, and structure align. Remember, we can replicate Black Wall Street's success by supporting Black-owned businesses, banks, doctors, lawyers, and dentists. We also do this by not spending our money with businesses that fund policies and parties that disenfranchise us. Now, Black Wall Street wasn't the only community. Let's take a look at others that deserve to be mentioned in history books too. The blueprint isn't missing. It's already been written. The question is, will you use it? And that's the bell for today. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button for attendance. See you next time.